In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add charts to your Google Vids video. Charts can be an excellent way to present data and trends visually, making your video presentations more engaging and insightful. Whether you're creating a report for work, a project for school, or just sharing information in an easy to understand format, including a chart can greatly enhance your message. Thankfully, Google Vids makes this process straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to Google Vids. This is your starting point. After opening your preferred web browser, type in the Google Vids URL or simply search for Google Vids on your search engine and click on the official Google Vids link to proceed. You'll be directed to the Google Vids homepage, which serves as the gateway to creating or editing your video projects. Once you've arrived at the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to sign into your account. On the top right corner of the page, you'll see a sign in option. Click on this and you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. If you're already signed into Google on your browser, it might automatically suggest the account associated with your current session. If not, or if you wish to use a different account, you'll need to enter your credentials manually. This is a critical step, as it ensures that any changes you make will be saved to your account and the video you're intending to enhance is readily accessible. After you've successfully signed in, you'll see your Google Vids dashboard. This is where all your video projects are displayed, and from here you can either choose an existing project to edit or start a new one. Assuming you already have a project in mind that needs a chart, open that project to begin the editing process. Now that your project is open, locate the Insert option on the menu. This option is crucial for adding various types of content to your video, including charts. The Insert button might be found on the top or side menu, depending on the Google Vids interface updates. Once you find it, click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking Insert, look for the Chart option. Selecting this will bring up a variety of chart types that you can add to your video. Google Vids offers a range of charts, including bar graphs, line charts, pie charts, and more. Each type of chart is best suited for different kinds of data presentation, so take a moment to consider which will best represent the information you're looking to convey. For example, a pie chart is excellent for showing proportions, while a bar graph might be better for comparing quantities. Upon selecting the type of chart you want to use, you'll enter the customization phase. Here you can input the data you wish to include in your chart, adjust the chart's appearance, and tailor its design to match the overall look of your video. This step is where your creativity comes into play. You can choose colors, fonts, and legends that make your chart not only informative, but also visually appealing. It's essential to preview your chart after adding it to your video. This ensures that it looks exactly as you intend in the context of your presentation. If necessary, you can go back and make adjustments to the chart's layout, design, or data until you're satisfied with the result. Remember, the goal of adding a chart to your video is to enhance your presentation by making data easier to understand at a glance. Take your time to ensure that your chart is clear, accurate, and aesthetically pleasing. With a bit of practice, you'll find that incorporating charts into your videos can significantly boost the quality and effectiveness of your presentations. And there you have it. You now know how to add charts to your Google Vids video, making your presentations more dynamic and data-driven. Whether you're sharing your video on social media, using it in a professional context, or submitting it for academic purposes, your enhanced ability to visually represent data will no doubt make your content stand out. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on making the most of your digital content. Until next time, happy charting.